children. I am going for a walk and it is very hot. Oh, I need to drink some water. We need to drink water. We drink water every day. Animals and people need to drink water every day.
Water is very important. You need water. I need water. We all need to drink water. Big elephants need water. Lions need water. And small birds need water. We all need water to live.
And plants need water. We all need to drink water every day. Where does water come from? There is no rain today, but rain gives us fresh water. And there is another place we get water. Come.
Plants need water too. Plants can get water from the rain, but then the rain stops. With no water, the plants cannot live. We need to help. We need to help save water. I need water. Animals need water. Plants need water. We all need water. Save, save. We need to save water. We need to save water.
This is a well. There is water in a well. But there is not a lot of water. It hasn't rained for many days. So we need to save water. We need to save the water that we have. How do we save water? We need to only use less water. Use less water when we are bathing.
Every day we have a bath. We should not have a long bath. We should have a short bath and use less water. Use, use, use less water. Use less water. Use less water to save water. Use less water to save water.
And we need to turn the tap off when we are not using the water. We need to turn the tap off.
When we are brushing our teeth or washing our hands, we should not leave the tap running when we are not using it. This is wasting water. We should turn the tap off when we are not using the water. This is saving water. Turn the tap off to save water. Off, off. Put the tap off. Put the tap off. Put the tap off to save water. Put the tap off to save water.
And old water we can give to the plants. We can give the old water to the plants.
When we have old water in our water bottle, we should not put it on the ground. This is wasting water. We should give it to the plants. The plants can use our old water. This is saving water. Give old water to plants. Give old water to plants.
And we should not waste water. We need to use the correct amount. Don't waste water.
We should not leave a dripping tap. This is wasting water. The water will go down the drain. We should turn the tap off and not waste water. Don't waste water. Save water.
I like water. Let us save water together.
Children can save water. Turn the tap off when brushing your teeth. Turn the tap off when soaping your hands. Give old water to the plants and use less water. Don't waste water. Save water. Waste, waste. Don't waste water. Don't waste water. Save water. Save water.